Hi, I'm Yang Han, the designer of this 5-room resale flat in Punggol. The flat is over 20 years old, so the owner wanted to give it a total makeover. She loved the Wabi-Sabi concept and came to us with a very detailed mood board. Since she flies out for work quite often, she wanted a cozy space to come back to. The home is more on the minimalist side, but it's also filled with organic texture and shape. We painted the wall with light wash paint as the owner liked the subtle texture it adds to the space. It's also the perfect match for the neutral tone and clean look of the house. The owner wanted a simple TV feature and console inspired by a sleek and simple concrete one she has seen online. Since she liked the curve, we tried to incorporate both for the console. Coming up with the suitable design was quite challenging, but we eventually went in with this look. Since the owner doesn't do heavy cooking, she wanted an open concept communal area connecting to kitchen, living and dining area. She hosts quite often, so this way she can interact with her guests too. To get this open concept space, we hacked down the kitchen wall and shift the common bathroom door to the corridor side. The other major layout change we made was the merging master bedroom and the junior bedroom next to it. We left one room untouched for the owner's study. The owner wanted all the counter space she could get, so shifting the common bathroom door freed up the wall space for more countertop. We also designed this custom island topped with a quartz counter. It has a built-in sink unlike the usual sink placements next to the stove. This ensures the owner have enough counter space on both sides. The study is very simple. The only built-in here is the desk where the owner works. This room originally came with the recess area and we didn't want to leave an awkward space, so we did up some display shelving and connected it to the table ledge. Moving to the master bedroom, we made it bigger by combining it with the junior bedroom next to it. One of the highlights here is the backlit headboard. While the owner wanted a minimalist look, she didn't want to leave this recessed niche look empty and boring. I felt that using wood here would be too overwhelming, so to match the rest of the home, I proposed this soft tone panel with ambient light. One thing you will notice is that there's no piping or trunking in the home, so that everything looks seamless. Here we suggested using a force bin to conceal the aircon trunking, but to do that, we need to shorten the door, and the owner was fine with it. As you move toward the bathroom, you can see we moved the vanity out. The reason we moved the vanity out is because the owner wanted to have both built-in bathtub and shower area. The homeowner wanted to explore a different look in the common bathroom, which is like powder room since they have no shower area. She liked Peranakan tiles with geometric design, like the one we use for the flooring. She mainly uses this space for showering her dog, so we make this big integrated Cinderstone sink for her to comfortably do that. I agreed we could create this cozy home where she can unwind after a long day. I even joked that if she ever decided to sell the home, she should consider selling it to me.